Hello everyone and welcome to Flavorful Cooking. Today I'll be showing you how to make cheesecake. To make cheesecake, you would need 2 packages of 8-ounce each cream cheese softened, 2 cartons of 8-ounce each mascarpone cheese, 3/4 cups of graham cracker crumbs, 4 eggs, 1 cup of sugar, 3 tablespoons butter melted, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, and 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. In a small bowl, add cracker crumbs and stir in butter. Press onto the bottom of the prepared pan. When done, bake at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes and then let cool on a wire rack. For filling, in a large bowl, beat the cheeses, so the cream cheese and mascarpone. Mix the cheeses together. Slowly start to add the sugar, add vanilla extract, lemon juice, and slowly start to add in the eggs. Wrap the spring pan in a foil. Pour the filling over the crust. Place the springform pan in a large baking pan or sheet. Pour hot water into the baking sheet. Bake at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for 50 to 60 minutes or until the center is just set and top appears dull. Remove pan from water bath. Then cool on a wire rack for 10 minutes and then place in the refrigerator overnight. Once it is cooled overnight in the refrigerator, carefully run a knife around the edge of the pan to loosen and then remove the sides of the pan. Now that the cake is ready, decorate with strawberries and strawberry sauce. To make strawberry sauce, you would need 2 cups of frozen or fresh strawberries, 1/3 cup sugar, and 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. In a pan, combine strawberries, sugar, and vanilla extract. Cook on low heat. Let it simmer for a few minutes and cook on low heat. Next, press strawberries with a spatula. When all the juice is out of strawberries, put half of the cooked mixture into the blender and make a puree. Then mix it back into the rest of the cooked strawberries. Then let it cool before spreading it onto your cakes. If you would like to make the strawberry sauce a little more tarty, you can add lemon juice. Turn off the heat and puree half of the strawberry sauce mixture. Add half of the puree into the cup. Puree the mixture. Then add the puree back into the pan. Mix. Let it cool before spreading on your cakes. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, bye bye now.